Hey scholars, so yesterday we did our subtraction with borrowing without using our base 10 blocks. Today we're going to review the same thing. So we're going to do 3 problems together, and then I have 4 problems that I want you to try. So our first problem we have is 63 minus 27. And remember, whenever we're subtracting and adding 2 digits, we always start all the way to the right in the ones. So we have 3 minus 7. So if you have 3, can you take 7 away? No, we don't have enough. So now we need to go next door and borrow from our 10. So we're changing 6, and we're going to borrow a 10. So we're going to take 1 10 away. So the 6 becomes a 5 since I took 1 away. Now I'm going to use that 10 that I took away and add it to my 3. So the 10 plus 3 makes what? Right, this changes to 13. So my 3 changes to 13 because I added this 10. Now we can subtract. So I have 13 minus 7 equals, right, we have 6 left. Now we subtract our 10s. We have 5 minus 2 equals, right, you get 3. So 63 minus 27 equals 36. All right, we have 55 minus 38. Again, we always come to the right side and go to our ones place first. So we have 5 minus 8. So if you have 5 of something, are you able to take 8 away? No, we don't have enough. So again, we have to go borrow from our next door neighbor the 10s. So we're going to change our 5 and borrow a 10. So my 5 is now going to become a 4 because I took a 10 away. I'm going to use this 10 and add it to my 1s. So this 10 plus my 5 equals, what does 10 and 5 make? Right, 15. So all we're doing is moving that 1 in front of my 1s place, 15. Now we can subtract. We have enough. 15 minus 8. So if you have 15 and you take 8 away, what are we left with? Right, we're left with 7. Now we're ready to subtract our 10s. We have 4 minus 3. So if I have 4 and I take 3 away, what are we left with? Right, we're left with 1. So 55 minus 38 equals 17. We have one more problem to do together. So we have 71 minus 16. So again, we always come and start all the way to the right to our ones place. So we have 1 minus 6. If you have 1, are you able to take 6 away? No, we don't have enough. So now we need to go next door and borrow from our neighbor the 10s. So I'm going to take a 10 away. So if I have 7 and I take 1 away, I'm left with, right, 6. And now I'm going to add that 10 I took to my 1. So 10 and 1 make, right, 11. This turns to 11. Now we can subtract. 11 minus 6. So when take your 11 and take 6 away, what are we left with? Right, you're left with 5. And now we do our 10s place. We have 6 now minus 1. So have 6 and take 1 away. What are we left with? Right, we're left with 5 again. So 71 minus 16 equals 55. Now I want you to try these 4 problems on your own. You have 32 minus 17, 66 minus 29, 51 minus 46, 90 minus 73. And again, you always come and start in your ones place. So you have your 2 minus 7, so you know that's not enough. So you're going to have to show how you borrow from your 10s and then add that 10 to your 1s. Make sure to show your work. Can't wait to see it.